Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on tips and tricks in CADI. In this video I will show you how to select multiple objects by using a double click option. The trick is that CADI has a default setting to select a pattern when the user double clicks on it. So if you're not familiar with the concept of patterns, it is actually very easy. A pattern is basically a set of objects grouped together without creating a block or a symbol. Let me demonstrate. I will use this north arrow as an example, but you can create patterns of virtually any combination of objects within CADI. Here we have arcs, text and hatch. So on the top one, if I double click, only that one object selects. The bottom one, when I double click on any of the objects, all of those objects will then be selected as it is part of the pattern. So how do we create a pattern? It is also very simple. I will select by rectangle all the objects that I want to include in the pattern. I will right click, I will select make and make pattern. CADI will prompt to say remove objects from existing patterns before adding to a new pattern. I say yes. Press escape. When I now double click on it, everything selects. Now did you know that you can save your selection? This is very helpful when a lot of objects are selected, especially when it was an intricate maneuver to get them selected in the first place. Here's a practical example. As you can see, I spent some time to select this outline amongst all the other objects. And it would be a real shame if I had to unselect by accident by pressing escape or so. So we're going to ask CADI to save this. With the object selected, I will click on select and I will say store selected. You will notice that there's a shift and an S here. This is a shortcut key that I've allocated to my keyboard. So I've created shift and S to store the selected, and recall will be shift and R. Just for the demonstration, I will click with the mouse and I'll click on the save. So when I press escape and everything unselects, all I have to do is to click on select and recall store selected. I press escape again and I've done it now with the mouse. Now I'll do it with the keyboard. When I press shift and R to recall it, the selection is recalled and I can continue with what I'm doing. A real time saver. If you enjoyed watching this video, click the like and subscribe buttons and do not forget to send me your comments and requests. My details as well as download links for the files used in creating this video can be found in the description below. Happy drawing!